Last but not least, I want to talk about some of the under the hood, behind the scenes type enhancements that Autodesk has put into AutoCAD 2017. These are things that you're not going to probably see, but Autodesk has changed the way AutoCAD processes 2D line work and 3D line work to a certain degree. 2D graphics have a new enhanced option, but only if you have a DirectX capable graphics card and hardware acceleration turned on. Your graphics processing unit is very important to AutoCAD. Go to Autodesk's website, check for compatibility. It will list the different machines and cards that they have tested. Make sure you have the right one. Go to your hardware acceleration. You can turn it on. Right now mine's turned off. I know because in the status bar here, it says the hardware acceleration is turned off. It looks like this little dial. If I right click on it and go to the graphics performance button, right here on this off toggle switch, I click it and it turns to on. Now the high quality geometry right here, this is the new setting. I can turn this one off or on. And if I do, it goes back to the standard smooth line display setting. But if I turn this on, it's going to render curves and line weights a lot better. And it's going to improve the anti-aliasing performance in 2D wireframes. Another thing this does, it will help with the appearance and selection of your 2D objects when you pick them. It highlights it. It won't lag as much. It will look visually better. So that'll also happen with dashed lines, dotted lines, things like that. I'm going to click OK because I want that to stay on. Another thing that they've changed, line types with dash and dot combinations, they'll display as round dots. Another subtle but useful improvement is the ability to select or snap to the gaps on those objects. Before you couldn't do that. You can also turn that off if you want to by typing in LT gap selection. It's a system variable. You can turn it off or on. 2D performance has been enhanced in AutoCAD 2017 by taking advantage of the graphics processing unit, or the GPU, that is present in your workstation. Line types that include only dashes and dots are now generated by the GPU rather than the CPU. So that means that your computer is going to work better because it's now not just using the CPU to generate the lines on your screens, but it's also using the GPU. It's going to help performance quite a bit. 3D graphics have been improved as well because of these things. You'll see a lot of performance and more stability in things like the 3D orbit command. So if I just start to rotate, there's less lag and it happens more smoothly. So yeah, this is just a wireframe. Well, let's switch it to a realistic mode. And when I zoom in, try to 3D orbit, you can see this working much better than it has in the past.